back on board. I always start off like that, don't I? Like, where else am I going to be? So, a couple of little projects today. I've decided I'm going to build myself a workbench inside the boat. A lot of the external stuff can be done off the jetty, off the pont, off the wharf, the marina, or indeed when I slip her. I'm going to get a shipwright to do some stuff externally, but all the internal stuff obviously I'll do on board. So I figure what I should do is probably get a bench together, a workbench. So I'm going to put it in this corner. I've got a nice sheet of ply there and a few other bits. So it'll roughly go sort of just in this area here with some hinges so I can lower it down. And yeah, that way I can sort of work on bits, don't have to make a mess outside, and then do that. So that's going to be a little project today, and then hopefully I'll do some more stripping, because you all know how much I love stripping, right? Paint stripping, that is. All right, so let's crack on. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Okay. Keep it nice and straight. All right, so we're done. Little workbench. It's not, yeah, it's not super solid. Well, it's solid. I mean, it's safe, you know, but it's lightweight. I can move it out of the way. So let's do our test. I'm sure I've got these the wrong way around, because I'm sure they're not supposed to go like that. But then fold it down and out the way. It's the latest in maritime workbenches. I mean, it's good enough and it's strong enough to not be putting any heavy weights on there. Perfect. Job done.